Are you struggling to get your app installed among 7 million competitors? Hey, I'm Raphael from AppsFlyer, and in this video, I'll share 10 user acquisition strategies to drive more app installs. Let's dive in. First, before creating a user acquisition strategy, you need to know who your audience is, what other apps you're up against, and the market conditions. Make sure to clearly define your target market so you're spending your budget in the right places. Next, really get to know your audience. What are their interests, motivations, and pain points? Check out your competition, what they do well, and how you could do better. And finally, use all those insights to create messaging and creatives that showcase your app's value and resonate with your potential users. With that foundation in place, you'll be ready to put these 10 user acquisition strategies into action. Number 1. Nail your App Store optimization. ASO is crucial for helping users discover your app in the App Store and Google Play Store. To ASO like a pro, research your keywords and optimize everything, from your app icon to the description and the visuals. There's a lot to know about ASO, so make sure to check out our video on how to create a winning strategy in the description below. Next up, use paid media. Start with traditional channels like Google, Facebook, Apple Search Ads, and major ad networks like AdMob and Unity. Allocate the most budget to your top performing media sources, but don't be afraid to experiment. Our data shows that 95% of marketers are exploring emerging paid channels this year, like connected TV and podcast advertising. Remember, always keep your target audience in mind and focus your ads on a single, clear call to action. Number 3. Creative optimization. Granular data is essential for measuring and improving every element of your campaign performance. AI-powered tools, like AppsFlyers, enable you to produce and measure creatives at scale, giving you a better return on ad spend. Number 4. Develop a content marketing strategy. Creating engaging and shareable content is a cost-effective way to attract users to your app. Choose topics your target users will engage with. Take the mindfulness app Calm, which regularly shares content about reducing stress and improving mental health, topics they know their users care about. That leads us neatly to number 5, influencers and organic social media. Having an influencer in your niche talk about your brand can significantly boost installs. They don't have to be the biggest influencer around, but they do need to have an engaged audience in the niche market that fits with your app. For instance, sportswear brand Gymshark teams up with fitness influencers, known as Gymshark athletes, to show its designs in action. Strategy 6. Use online communities and forums. We found that 44% of marketers are turning to online communities to reach their ideal users. Join relevant communities and engage in conversations. Just don't turn it into a sales pitch. Number 7. Word of mouth and referral. Encourage users to leave you reviews and showcase those to attract more users. For instance, ask for feedback in-app when a user completes an action, like a delivery or completing a level in a game. And don't forget to make your app and content shareable. Think Strava or Nike Plus, where users can share their workouts and inspire others to join in. Strategy 8 is to offer free trials and tasters. Show, don't tell, how great your app is. Share game demos, or offer a free taster of the premium version, like Hulu and Spotify do. Number 9. Use deep links to create seamless user journeys. Deep links make it easy for users to install your app directly from an email, social post, or QR code. Okay, so they haven't installed your app yet. Not a problem. With deferred deep linking, you take users on a quick detour to the App Store, then right to the relevant page inside your app once it's installed. And finally, measure, measure, measure. How else will you know if your user acquisition strategy is doing what it's supposed to do? Analyze your performance data to help you understand what's working and how to improve your user acquisition efforts. And that's a wrap. Hopefully, I've given you some inspiration for your next user acquisition campaign. I'll leave you with 3 key takeaways. 1. A successful UA strategy starts with defining and understanding your audience, checking out the competition, and nailing your messaging and creatives. 2. Drive app installs using a range of strategies, including paid media, ASO, content and influencer marketing, and referrals. 3. Finally, continuously measure and optimize to improve performance. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments and make sure you subscribe to our channel because we have tons more videos like this to help you get better at marketing results. Thanks for watching and see you next time.